Let's form Korean sentences. 이거 커피예요. 이거 커피예요. This sentence follows the sentence pattern 이거, noun, plus yeyo. What is the meaning of 이거? 이거 means this. This is a demonstrative pronoun used when the subject of our sentence is near to the speaker. What is the meaning of yeyo? Yeyo means it is. If the noun has a vowel ending, we'll be adding yeyo. But if the noun has a consonant ending, we'll be adding igeo. For our example sentence, the object is copy, and since it has a vowel ending, we'll be adding yeyo. So it results to 커피예요. Let's summarize. 이거 means this, copy means coffee, and yeyo means it is. These three are combined to result to a sentence 이거 커피예요, which means this is coffee.